Telviva's contact center business unit includes 2 regional service managers, a dedicated support desk, a network operations center or NOC with a support team leader, specialist project managers, and other cross-functional reach into the Telviva professional services and development teams. One of the most successful components of the contact center business unit has been our service management. And really what that is it's coming down to the supporting of the people in the trenches, the actual consultants and their line managers at that operational level. And what we've done there is we've assigned a service manager that meets either monthly or quarterly to understand any pain points, to provide deep dives into the analytics, and then to ensure that if there are any issues or queries, that the right people at Telviva can be grouped together to provide a good solution to a challenge. And this has proved to be very valuable to our clients and a real differentiating factor. And the difference between buying a contact center as a service without management versus what we offer with management. The other thing we have in terms of our level of support is that we follow the ITIL framework. And the ITIL framework is typically a set of best practice standards used and observed within the IT services industry. Telviva includes a standard SLA for our customers, and that manages the support and incident management process. And all of our systems and our teams are aligned to deal with these.